everybody, my name is Khaled Ines. In this video, I'm going to explain time's concept in space. If you ask someone about time's definition, the answer would be a ticking of a clock, or maybe the turning of the pages of the calendar. Moreover, if you just hear the word time, what comes to your brain can be a clock, a watch, an hour, a minute, a second, but not time itself. So, what's time? If we look at the meaning in dictionaries, we'll find it's a measure in which events can be ordered from the past to the present into the future. Generally speaking, we describe the location of a material point in relation to time. For example, I say, the bus arrives at 7:15. Okay. When I was young, my father used to talk a lot about Einstein's studies. I remember that he called time the fourth dimension. The question is, why would we say that time is the fourth dimension in space? I'm going to explain by giving examples. Well, here we have the first axis. This is the origin. Since the position of a point can be described by a single number, usually denoted by x, we say that the line has dimension 1, length. Now I draw the second one, perpendicular to the first. Each point is described by two numbers, usually denoted by x and y. Here the plan has dimension 2, width. The third axis should be perpendicular to the two previous ones. The point in space is described by three numbers, x, y, and z. And this is height. Now we need these three coordinates to describe something's spatial position. But you can go to that position and the object won't be there. That's because you didn't specify when. It's just like when I called you and asked you for a meeting at a specified place with no specified time. That would be useless. We have the three dimensions of space: length, width, and height, plus the time becomes for our fourth dimension, space-time. So time is a measurement system which measures the duration of existence of moving objects. Finally, we know that everything has its own properties. For example, water doesn't have a shape, clear water doesn't have a color. But the property that all things must have is that of existence indeed. Before taking any other qualities like big or small or black, they have to exist. And as long as relativity doesn't show or confirm the existence of something called time, the problem still is, does time exist? Finally, we know that